try this one. Korean barbecue style beef udon stir fried soup. So, sa package, meron siyang tatlong noodles. Ayan. So, ito na yun. Inuna ko na. Sa likod, ito yung instruction. Packaging. Nilagayan siya nandun. Dito siya nilagay. Takip ko kasi maganda. Ito na yung sauce. Ito na yun. 2 to 3 minutes. Beef, seasoned beef. Okay. An additional an additional 2 minutes. I already turned up the heat, so and onions. And onion for the topping. Try na natin. Ito, may chopstick tayo. Try natin itong karne.